That's definitely not the sound of an airplane. Customer states, ever since you put tires on my vehicle, it makes a noise.